Hello and welcome to this video. I will be talking about two mostly used sales funnel tools and the difference between those, so stick with me until the end. I will compare ClickFunnels and Leadpages to give you a better perspective and help you decide which one to go with. Welcome back. If you like this video in particular, just click the like button below and leave a comment if you have something to share. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. So let's dive in. So ClickFunnels and Leadpages are both powerful applications that can help you generate more leads and make more money from your traffic. While both share some common features, they are also very different applications. ClickFunnels is all-in-one sales funnel software that lets you manage everything from lead capture to sales in one platform, where Leadpages is a specialized landing page application. So first I will discuss features. So ClickFunnels and Leadpages have several features in common, but they also have a variety of features that are unique to either application. Both make it easy to create great landing pages, collect names and email addresses, and follow up via email and SMS. So the biggest difference between the two applications is purpose. So ClickFunnels is, like I said, an all-in-one sales funnel application that lets you create landing pages, send email autoresponders, process sales, and host events from within one application. And I have to say it's very intuitive and easy to use. On the other hand, Leadpages is a dedicated landing page application that makes it easy for you to design conversion optimized landing pages and lead capture forms. Now, one of the most important things, the landing pages, of course. ClickFunnels has a simple drag and drop landing page builder that's aimed at everyone from experienced marketers to total beginners. So creating a landing page is as simple as dragging a headline, a subheadline, bullet points, image, and other elements onto an empty canvas. Using the landing page builder in ClickFunnels, you can add custom elements like, countdowns and auto-playing video to your landing page. So putting together a clean landing page is a simple, fast process. So once you're familiar with ClickFunnels, you'll be able to do it in just like a few minutes. I've made few tutorial videos about ClickFunnels and how to make great landing pages, so feel free to check out our channel and look for those videos. Since ClickFunnels includes built-in shopping cart, you can place an add to cart button on your landing page. Although the landing page builder in ClickFunnels isn't as powerful as the one in Leadpages, it's a great tool for all-in-one sales funnel software. So while ClickFunnels is all about building a sales funnel from start to finish, Leadpages, on the other hand, focuses on one thing, and the one thing only, and that's designing beautiful, effective landing pages. So you can see here on the product, you can check out all of their products they have. So as such, its Leadpages landing page builder is much more powerful. It also uses a simple drag and drop user interface, just like ClickFunnels. So with page elements like headings, subheadings, I don't know, text blocks, video players, and countdowns, and all easy to add to your landing page. So since Leadpages is built for PPC campaigns, it also includes simple conversion goal pages. So the ability to add an exit pop-up to your page and other features that marketers interested in raising their conversion rate will find useful. So Leadpages includes hundreds of landing page templates, all of which are optimized for desktop and mobile. It also includes two-step opt-in forms that you can use to generate leads from blog post articles and other on-page content. So all in all, Leadpages offers a much wider range of landing page features than ClickFunnels, and it says dedicated single-purpose application. However, don't let this discourage you from using ClickFunnels. Just because it doesn't necessarily mean that the greater variety of templates mean that your business will skyrocket. Sometimes just doing something the right way with an average template can bring you better results. So you shouldn't be spending too much time picking templates. You should be focusing on sales copy and getting traffic. So now the topic of sales funnels. ClickFunnels includes built-in sales funnels for a variety of objectives, from selling a product to hosting a webinar. This makes it easy to set up a funnel for your new product, your upcoming event, and other situations in which you need to communicate with your audience. Creating a new sales funnel in ClickFunnels is very simple. First, you can define your goal using the available options to collect emails, sell your product, or host a webinar. After you enter your funnel's name, ClickFunnels will automatically build all of the related pages, so you do not have to worry about that. On the other hand, building a funnel in Leadpages is a much more complicated process. So instead of creating your entire funnel with a single click, you'll need to integrate Leadpages with mailing list software, a payment processor, and other tools to create a working sales funnel. In short, Leadpages is the more powerful tool for creating landing pages, while ClickFunnels is far better for creating simple, effective sales funnels. I have to put a disclaimer here. This is all from personal experience, and it doesn't mean that you should or shouldn't do something. What works for one person doesn't have to work for some other person. So that's why you should test things out and see what works best for you and your business. So now the conclusions, and to sum up the pros and cons of these two softwares. ClickFunnels is all-in-one sales funnel application, and it manages every aspect of the sales funnel creation process well. Its biggest strength is its simplicity. Instead of having to manage several applications to create a sales funnel, you can do everything using one tool. ClickFunnels includes most features you'll need to create your sales funnel under the hood, such as shopping cart and email autoresponder software. Since ClickFunnels has a built-in email autoresponder feature, you can create your own sequence without having to integrate with other software such as MailChimp or Aweber or any other email marketing software. So overall, I would say that ClickFunnels is a fantastic software built for a specific audience. Online marketers with digital or physical products, private membership communities, and coaching services. It makes creating a funnel simple, but once it's an all-in-one application, it does have some limitations. Leadpages is built from the ground up to do one thing. It's to create great landing pages. So if you need to create and test a variety of landing pages for your pay-per-click advertising campaign or product launch, and don't mind sacrificing simplicity for power, Leadpages is the right software for you. So compared to ClickFunnels, Leadpages has a much more powerful landing page builder with far more customization options. So you can drag and drop everything from text boxes to video players, social sharing buttons, and more onto your landing page. All landing pages are totally responsive and look just as good on a cell phone as they do on a desktop PC. So, however, Leadpages is specialized landing page software. So adding features such as email is a multi-step process that requires integration with other software. So overall, if your main objective is to create excellent landing pages, then Leadpages is the better of the two applications. It's a little harder to use, but its huge range of templates and customization tools make it ideal for split testing a variety of landing pages as a part of a PPC campaign. When it comes to pricing, ClickFunnels starts from $97 per month, which lets you create up to 20 funnels and 100 pages for a maximum of 20,000 visitors per month. So you can add an unlimited amount of contacts and add ClickFunnels pages to up to 3 custom domains. To access the full version of ClickFunnels, you'll need to buy the premium suite or the Edison suite at $299 per month. This includes access to the ClickFunnels, Actionetics, and Backpack. So the company recently announced new features to this offer, so check that out. There's a link below this video. On the other hand, Leadpages pricing. Leadpages starts from $25 per month for the standard plan with annual billing. This includes an unlimited number of landing pages, lead box pop-up forms, publishing to WordPress, and help via email. To access features like, A/B testing, I believe, email trigger links, text message lead capture, and more, you will need to sign up for the Pro or Advanced plans, which are priced at $48 per month and $199 per month. But the good thing is that both offer free trial. I would recommend to get Leadpages if you're a marketer that buys a lot of pay-per-click or display advertising, or someone that works within a marketing department. But if you're a solo entrepreneur or online marketer who needs a reliable all-in-one platform for all of your sales funnel, I would say that ClickFunnels is an obvious choice. It has everything you need. So there's a link in the description box below this video, so you can start your ClickFunnels free trial today. So just click the link below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one, and take care.